Managing expense reimbursements should be simple. But in most organizations, it quickly turns into a mess of emails, spreadsheets, and missing receipts. Requests get delayed, approvals get stuck, and finance teams spend hours trying to track everything down. Employees are not sure what to submit or when they will be reimbursed. Managers do not have a clear view of what is waiting for approval. And finance teams are left reconciling incomplete and inconsistent data. What should be a simple process becomes slow, frustrating, and error prone. With Infowise Ultimate Forms, you can replace all that with a structured, automated process directly inside SharePoint. This ready to use expense reimbursement template gives you everything you need to capture, approve, and track expenses in one place. Everything starts with a simple, user friendly form. Employees can submit expenses with all required details, attach receipts, and ensure nothing is missing. The form itself guides the process. Using tabs and sections, each step is clearly defined and easy to follow. There's no confusion about what needs to be done. As the request moves forward, different users see only what is relevant to them. Managers can review and approve expenses without changing the original data. Finance teams can process reimbursements with full visibility and control. This is all handled through simple permission rules. No complex workflows required. Dynamic rules handle the logic automatically. Totals are calculated instantly. Fields appear only when needed. Status updates happen in real time. Instead of building complex backend automation, everything happens directly in the form. At any moment, you can see exactly what is happening. Track pending approvals, monitor spending, and ensure nothing is missed. No more chasing updates or manually compiling reports. This approach requires fewer technical skills, reduces reliance on IT, and helps you deliver solutions faster. You can go from idea to work in process in hours, not weeks. If your expense process is still handled through emails and spreadsheets, it is time for a better approach. Install the expense reimbursement template and start managing everything in SharePoint today. Simple, structured, and ready to use.